Hello everyone! If you want to show stock prices over time or track sales and revenue, then creating an Excel graph from list of dates is the best option for you. So this is Zehad Rian from Exceldemy, and today we'll learn several steps on how to create Excel graph from list of dates. Before going through the steps, let's talk about the dataset a bit. Here we have the dates and the orders received from it is in the column B and column C. Our target is to create graph from list of dates by using this dataset. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365. So without any further discussion, let's get started. At first, select the data area from B4 to C11. Go for the Insert tab. In the chart section, go for Insert Column or Bar Chart. Select 2D Clustered Column, and here you have got the graph from the list of dates. You can easily customize it also for various cases. If you want to change the chart design, then select the graph, go for the Chart Design tab, and here you will see in the chart styles you have got many chart designs. You can easily select any of the chart design according to your wish. You can also go for the chart styles from the right side of the chart, select it, and in the style section you will find all the chart styles. You can select any of them from here also. But this time, if you want to change the chart color, then you'll go for the change color in the chart design tab, and here you'll find the colors according to your wish. You can easily select any of the color to show it perfectly. You can get the same result by going to the chart styles at the right side of the chart area, and here you'll find the color option. You can choose the color from here also. But this time I want to change the axis. So select the axis, right click on it, select Format Axis, and here the Format Axis window will be opened. Now the graph is for 6/4/2022 to 6/10/2022. Suppose I want to change the 6/10/2022 to 6/8/2022. If we click on the graph, then we'll see the data area or the chart section have been changed according to the format axis. So that's how we can also format the axis and get the result according to our wish. Suppose you want to change the font color also, then you'll select the chart axis again and right click on it, go for the format axis, but this time you'll go for the text option. In the size property, you can also go for the alignment section and change the text direction according to your wish. You can select any of the values to show it perfectly. You can also go for the fill and line and select the fill option to solid, gradient, or any of the section according to our wish. Here you can also go for the line section and change the lines here according to your wish also. Go for the text color in the home tab. You can select any of the color and change the color from it. So that's how we can easily modify the chart in Excel. You can follow these steps accordingly, or you can download the practice workbook from the link below. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comment section. Or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.